Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen. Don't forget, share and like.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Somtam Thai 35 baht and pet with rice 35 baht, 70 baht in total, so that's about £1.60. Mamuang lak, khao niao, mango and sticky rice. I've seen this bridge before on some other vlog. I don't know the significance of it, but I was just stood there waiting to cross. Bangkok skyline. Lumpini. In the beautiful city of Bangkok, Thailand. Get yourself here and have a look. Sawadee krab, Lumpini Park.
Lumpini. No.
No?
ไปทางไหนดิ
ไม่เป็นไร
สีลม
Silom.
Yes.
Okay, ไม่เป็นไร This way, yeah?
Yes.
Sawadee krab. I just want to Lumpini Park.
Yeah, Lumpini Park.
Here?
Yeah, you
Go
go inside.
down that way.
No, you go inside. Go inside. Yeah, same.
Just
Yeah.
there?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, take a left.
Yeah. Here?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. It's here, she says. Tilak. Tini.
นี่วะ
ทำไมคุณไม่รู้
ไม่ได้อยู่แถวนี้
ไม่เป็นไร I thought it was here. Well, that's a better view of that construction there. Let's do a 240. I don't like doing these, but just to show you. Only a 240, not a 360. Right, here we are. Let's have a wander around. Pretty quiet, but that's possibly because it's in the heat of the day and there's only me daft enough to walk around in it. I'm gonna get myself a drink from here. Fancy a Pepsi. I bet they haven't got one. Sawadee krab. And Coke. Me. I've took the advice of a few of my subscribers and gone for the water. Oh my. Better. I've got to get past this sprinkler before it spins round on me and it'll drench me then. Look, it's coming. Have I got time, Owen? Your little leg's going to be able to move fast enough. Oh, it's coming! It's coming. Just made it. Let's have a look at the lake, see if there's any of them lizards. I don't know if they're violent or not. Will they go for you? I don't know. It's a nice tranquil scene, isn't it? Be a nice place to work actually. I know it'll be warm, but a bit of gardening, tidying up, out in the fresh air every day. Right, let's have a look at this one here. Where's this going? Is it quite fast? Yeah. Can I get through there? Comes this way. Oh, there's one here. Ooh, surrounded by them. Have I gone too quick? Ooh. Oh, just missed me. Girls here. See if I can get a bit of banter out of them. Are we filming?
อ๋อเดี๋ยวนี้มันเพราะแม่มันไม่สบายมันยึดน้ำมันใช่ต้องมองแนะนำไว้ก่อนเลี้ยงแกะวันนี้ก็เพิ่งได้กินซุกี้ไปไม่ได้รู้อยู่ซุกี้อร่อย
สวัสดีครับ
ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ
ทำน้ำหนักนะ
ไม่หนักเท่าไหร่ค่ะสนุก
I said they're working hard. Some ducks and swans. If I had a girlfriend I could go on there, but I haven't got one.
มันจะตัวนึงก่อน
แล้วชุดบ่ายด้วยนะชุดบ่ายด้วยเอาไว้
อีกคนนึงก็อีก
ทำงานไม่ได้นะ
นี่นะเหรียญอยู่ตรงบ่าย
นัดเถียงก็กลับแล้ว
Some of these big lizards here are massive. Here's one here. Not getting too near. Right, I'm at Saladin. I'm going to go back to Ceylon and then head for the National Stadium. Now I don't know if you've got to get off and change. I think you have, I'm not sure. It looks like it's a green line, so probably don't have to get off. The Ceylon line I'm on, Ceylon. Right, I'm going to head to MBK over there, get some food, chill out a little bit and get a drink and whatever. Buy a charger for my motor and just relax for a bit. I've been doing a bit too much walking at the moment, so I'm feeling a bit jaded now. Find somewhere nice and cool to sit. National Stadium, exit number 4. MBK Center, exit number 4. Beware your step. So, MBK Center, through here. There's one of them dom donkeys again. I'm going to explore what this donkey is. Look at like all little toys. Sony carp. It's got like all these different types of food. Expensive for what they are. 169 baht for a bit of fish. Even got some, it's like cheese. 69 baht. Goodbye donkey. As you can see, it's got a good place inside. I'm heading to the 4th floor for the cable. So as you can see, there's store after store selling the same things near enough. I just bought myself a cable for 200, got it 250. Plugged it in and it works. Fast charging. That one I bought from that guy in Chiang Mai must have fell off back of a wagon. But anyway, it's up and running now. I plugged it in there and it works. Nice view again. Here's my train coming in.
Got me free t-shirt. You won't get it free, you'll have to pay for it.
you won't make
อะไร
me
เร็วไงต้อง